Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel The AAG. In today's video I'm going to share you how to prepare Ravva Kesari recipe at your home with minimum ingredients. Ravva Kesari is a South Indian dish which is usually prepared during any festivals or any puja, which is usually offered to the deity, especially on Ganesh Chaturthi, Navaratri and Janmashtami. So let's get started and know how to prepare this dish. To prepare Ravva Kesari, you need to take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Roast cashews and raisins till they turn into golden brown. When they turn into golden brown, keep them aside. Add 1 cup of semolina or Sooji. Now roast this semolina or Sooji on low to medium flame till semolina or Sooji turns aromatic, little brown. Now transfer this roasted semolina into a plate. Now into the same pan add 3 cups of water and let it boil. Now the name of the dish is Ravva Kesari. Kesari, which means color of the dish, that is yellowish orange. Here I have added yellow food color. You can also add saffron strands instead of yellow food color. Mix the food color into the water so that the food color mixes in the water evenly. While the water is boiling, add roasted semolina. Let it cook on low to medium flame for 5 minutes. Semolina has absorbed all the water and it has turned thick. At this stage, add about 1 cup of sugar. Mix well so that the sugar caramelizes and releases water. Now let the water evaporate. Sugar and semolina mixture has come together. At this point of stage, add half teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix well. Add roasted dry fruits which you have kept aside previously to the mixture. Now drizzle generous amount of ghee. I added 1 tablespoon of ghee. This dish tastes good while you serve it hot. I hope you like this recipe. If you do like this recipe, please give it a try and do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you're first time to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And if you like this video, please share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching.